Okay, pull it towards the right.
Is that enough slack for you to cut?
Yes, hold it steady right there. Make sure you cover that patch evenly. Yeah, it's starting to break down nicely now. The flow rate on reactor 2 is optimizing.
Acknowledged. Initiating the next sequence now.
Confirmed. Levels look good. Guide it straight. I got it. Keep pushing. Is it secure? Looks good. Activate the suction.
Is the measurement complete on section B? Yes, reading is 115 square feet. Recording the data now.
The texture looks good on this run. Adjusting the pin depth slightly for the next one.
Look at the absorption rate on this section. Yes, the polymer linkage seems stronger here.
Lower the press now.
Pressure engaging. Holding steady at 50 tons.
Check the thickness on your end.
It's steady at 3.5 millimeters.
We need more tension on this sleeve. All right, pushing down now. The measurement is good, but the finish on this section is wrinkled.
I agree. Let's move it to the second quality stack.
Make sure you circle all the deep cracks on this side.
I see them. How about this area here?
That looks good. Leave it unmarked.
Make sure that bottom layer is secure. It's tight. Ready for the next one?
Bring the straps over here when you finish.
Make sure that bottom layer is secure. It's tight. Ready for the next one?
Bring the straps over here when you finish. Check the readings on the main dryer.
Everything is normal. Temperature is holding steady.
The flow rate is stabilizing after the adjustment. Confirmed. Pressure levels look good on my end.
Okay, I'm starting the cut now. Keep it taut. Got it. Looks good so far.
Production rates on the east wing are dropping below target. Get me eyes on the automated cutters now.
Pulling up the feed, sir. Looks like a material jam on line 3.
Get that secured now. Watch it, forklift coming through on the right.
Check the readings on the main dryer.
Everything is normal. Temperature is holding steady.
Check the thickness on your end. It's steady at 3.5 millimeters.
The measurement is good, but the finish on this section is wrinkled.
I agree. Let's move it to the second quality stack.